So we are packed up, ready to hit the road, leaving Delaware. But we have decided to come back to that mall that we were telling you guys about in our last video. We got here and it was getting ready to close. So we are back here. We are going to do some mini brand fidget squishmallow shopping because we've got to do that every time we go to a new area that has a nice mall. So we are going to head in here and see what goodies we can find. We found a store that we've never seen before, and it's called, what's this called? Showcase, and they have everything you can imagine in here. Look at all of the little keychains that they have here. We have never seen any of these.
I'm getting this one.
And look at all of the big size
There's more over there.
squishmallows they have. Look at the pineapple. We've been wanting a pineapple for so long. I've never seen this one. I'm loving this. DNA balls. Snapper. A double. Oh yeah, we just had him. Here's a lot more. Wow, this store has everything you can imagine in here. Some more poppets. They have everything here, but they are really expensive. Oh my gosh, we found pop tubes. There are 4-pack pop tubes. Look, that keep falling. Finger rings, magnetic jitter toys. Braylon, I like these glitter ones better. And look, they have glow-in-the-dark ones. These are little Paw Patrol squishies. Look, they have SpongeBob. These little dino pop-up things. We definitely have to get one of these because we have not been able to find these in forever.
I want the turtle.
Oh, this is a little turtle. Oh, look, they have the big octopus. Yeah, the jumbo ones. Look at these. We have not seen a lot of these that are in here, Braylon. Look at this little octopus.
I actually... They don't have tags.
The little octopus is so cute. Oh no, we can't get them if they don't have tags on them.
Because I don't know the name.
They have to have a tag. Oh, that's disappointing because that was the last one. A little cheeseburger. I like that one up here. I was looking at that one earlier. And look at the little ice cream cone. Look at the little ice cream cone.
The apple juice.
Oh yeah, the apple juices. Braylon is obsessed with these apples. Oh my gosh, look at this. A jumbo big fun water resistant new. How many pops is this, do you think? That is more than 100. How many pops do you think this is? Jumbo pop and play. Okay, so let's see. It's got to be at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, Braylon, look. Remember you used to be obsessed with these? With a little fox?
I'm gonna get this little fox, I think.
You have so many to decide from. It's a hard decision, right? They even have some down here. I know. Look, they have all sorts of TikTok stuff in here. Look, remember you got this dino light?
Yeah.
And they have the unicorn that you just keep hitting and it comes on. They do have Mickey and Minnie. Are they not so cute?
Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna get baby Chewy. Should I get baby Chewy?
No, you don't need the baby. You already have one. All right, so we came up here to the front of the store. Look, they have monkey noodles. They have more snappers. And they have all this stuff up here. So many to choose from. Braylon is having such a hard time trying to figure out what to get. You can get 2 keychains.
I think I'm gonna get these 2. They look like $10.
I know, this store is very expensive, but came in here to Claire's at this mall. They still have these rainbows. lot of minis. I don't see really anything other than minis and the rainbows here. But look at this sign. Look, they used to have strawberries and watermelons and sunshines.
Yeah.
They don't have them. All right, so we came into Target. They have a Target in this mall. And look what they have. And they have the pineapple that we have been looking for forever and ever. What is its name? Maui.
Maui.
Makes sense. All sorts of more slime. Slime. Look at this one. Have you seen this? Jelly cubes, rainbow jelly cube slime.
Look.
What'd you find?
Wave Too Many
brands.
This is the only one left.
Oh, really?
There's one that's open.
And we haven't seen these before. Goose B-Day Cappuccino. Pink latte. I don't know. We have never seen this before. Here's the main brands. There's another one. Someone opened it? Oh, no. I just think it got ripped.
And, okay, they didn't take off the price tag.
Yeah. They didn't open it. It's just ripped
packaging. I'm only going to get one there because I just got too many brands.
They have Poppets. These seem to be very easy to find now. I think Target has been definitely keeping these stocked for a long time now. And they still have this Poppet. And, okay, it's not in this area. There aren't any other places that they could be.
I don't think they have.
No, this one doesn't have any, does it? All right. Braylon is excited about this mini brand, though.
And the two in here.
Oh, yeah. Duplicates. She can trade with him. All right, let's see. First one.
I literally got
the baby. Oh, the laughing cow.
Cheddar. Oh my gosh.
All right,
this is
number
so cool.
Is it the Blue Diamond nuts?
Yes.
The almonds.
Gosh. I'm so happy. Two. This is a wave 2 item, and this is a wave 2 item.
Oh yeah.
Okay, next one. Wave 2 item again.
Oh, I like that one. Country Time lemonade. All right, get your second ball.
That's okay. Ground cinnamon.
A gold ground cinnamon? Looks like a trophy.
I know. Oh, chocolate. I got the chocolate one, so now I have the original and the chocolate.
Oh, okay.
For a second, I thought I got another duplicate. That would have been bad. Oh, yes, I got the root beer concentrate.
Is this off of Wave 2? I've never seen this.
Wave 2. This is a Wave 2 one too.
Okay.
And this one too.
I've never even heard of root beer concentrate at the grocery store.
Shake and bake. Wave 2 item. Wait, I didn't get a list in the last one.
It's okay.
But now I got a list.
Is that all of them? Did you open them all?
Oh my gosh.
So you only got one duplicate, Country Time. So we're gonna go back to the store and trade with him.
So look, there's ultra rares where they're pink.
Oh, okay.
And then, oh my god.
Wow, there's a lot of golds.
Because it's all gold. That's it.
All right, well, let's go trade with this guy. All right, so what'd you trade with? The Baby Bell cheese. They have little Nemo in them.
Look at it.
Nemo.
I think you said Nemo. Look at this.
A unicorn?
I kind of want this and this one.
I know you really want that popsicle one. Look at the rainbow. They have cute little snappers here. And Braylon, I like this one. You know me, I love the cupcakes.
I think I'm gonna get these cupcakes.
And Hello Kitty, is this not so cute? What'd you find? A little duck?
I think I'm just gonna get.
Okay. There's a little peacock. so many ones that we have never seen. Scott
This one's not good though.
Oh look, Scott's getting into the poppets.
It's not good.
He says it's not good, it's an alligator. So much shopping has caused us to work up a little bit of appetite. And look at this amazing food. This food court at this mall is legit. So good. You all know how much we love our tropical smoothie, and we've heard a lot about Jamba Juice, but we don't have one close to us. So we got Jamba Juice. I got the Peach Perfection. Braylon got Aloha Pineapple, and we are going to try these, and we are going to tell you what we think to compare these to tropical smoothie.
Mine's really good.
Is yours really good? Mine's very peachy. Want to try mine? Let me try yours.
Oh man.
Yours has definitely has a banana taste to it. I feel like these aren't as thick as tropical smoothie, but they're definitely refreshing. All right, we are hitting the road for our 2.5 hour drive back home, and we will do a little haul of what all we bought here once we get home.
Okay guys, so we got stuck in traffic, so I'm going to be doing a haul of everything that I got. I did get this Squishmallow clip, and their name, it doesn't have a name.
Well, make up your own name.
It does have a name, it just, the tag doesn't say it. There's a turtle. And then
Let me see if I can find the name.
my other Squishmallow that I got was a octopus, and their name is Veronica. I've been wanting this one. It's so adorable. Well, she's so adorable. This one's super soft too. So while my mom's trying to find that name, I'm going to open up some of my fidgets. So I got fidget pads.
Henry the Turtle, it says.
Okay, Henry. Now I got a fidget pad. So there is these buttons, and then this thing that like moves.
The joystick.
The joystick. It's kind of like a controller. I think this is supposed to be like a controller.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to be, yeah, a gaming controller.
And
Fidget.
then this up here rolls, and then back here this one rolls, and then this one's my favorite, and you just go like this, and then that's it, I think. And then there's a texture thing right here that can like, you just go like that, and it came with 2. Okay, so next thing that I got from Showcase was the balls that stick to your ceiling. I don't really want to open these because...
We can just open them and just get
Okay.
one out and see what they feel like. So they're kind of like globbles?
Yeah, they are globbles. They're just not the brand.
Oh, okay. I thought you weren't going to get them all out.
I'm not getting these 2 out. These are like, feel them. They're definitely going to be good.
Oh yeah, they're definitely sticky. They have like, they're like the inside of a Neato ball.
I don't want to get them like all dirty and stuff. Next thing that I got was finger rings.
I'm excited for these. I've seen these
love
before.
finger rings. They're magnet rings. I feel like they stick together.
Oh. You got to get used to using them, huh?
Then on the way back to the exit, we saw this little shop, like pop-up stand, and they had Pop-Its, and I got this popsicle, and I've been wanting this popsicle. A lot of people have this that I know. And
And that's a different stand from the stand that we saw yesterday, because yesterday you got these two, if you want to show them. Which two you got yesterday?
Oh, yeah.
If they didn't see yesterday's video.
These.
So that was a different stand on the other side of that mall.
Yeah.
But we
So
ran out of time, so we had to leave and come back today.
So I got an Among Us one, and then this one, which is super good. But, okay, and then I'm going to show you the one that I got from Target. So I got a cart, and then these are regular series too. So I got feta and coffee, and then wave 2, I got these two I've been wanting. Mustard and the blue Baby Bell. Like, I've been wanting the blue Baby Bell and the mustard, so I was just really lucky today. But that is it that I got from a Showcase.